Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the global citizens of the world. Mr. Dowdy's here. Lanterns of Hope is here. We are active live in the Bahamas right now. We are at the health fair. We started doing blood pressure checks, diabetes screenings, and some of those families who were affected by Hurricane Dorian have started coming out and receiving their care packages. But I just wanted to take the time out while I have the moment to thank those who donated and contributed funds to help make this event possible. So I just wanted to say thank you. The people of the Bahamas, thank you, and God bless. Take care. All right, my good people, so I just wanted to take time out to show you a little bit of the healthcare event that's going on right now in the Bahamas. So as you can see, we have a table. We started doing blood pressure checks. We have our diabetic kits to do diabetes screenings. We have our logo. We have our care packages. A lot of the family members have started coming out collecting their care packages. We have our logistics cameraman back there taking a little break. We have my sister Kimberly, Miss Barbazon.
Happy to be here.
Miss Barbazon.